what if you could have a 3 billion parameter large language model which could perform at 2x faster than a 7 billion parameter large language model and have similar performance. So this is what Cerebras and Opentensor have achieved with their new Bittensor Language Model. This model is known as BTLM-3B-8K. Okay, so the 8K stands over here for 8K context tokens. Okay, what is the advantage of this particular model? Okay, so what they are saying over here is that it is the state of the art 3 billion parameter model. So it performs the best, it is the best state of art 3 billion LLM currently when compared to other open source 3 billion parameter models. It is open source and can be used for commercial purposes. It has the Apache 2.0 license. It is already available on Hugging Face, right? And the thing is that the quantized version of this model, okay, the 4-bit quantized version of this model just takes around 3 GB of memory. So it can easily work on even mobile devices. That is what they have shown over here, right? So 3 billion parameter models, okay, the memory requirement versus mobile devices, that's what they are saying. Your 7 billion parameter models, even if they are quantized to 4-bit, they may still not fit on mobile devices, whereas this would fit into mobile devices. Okay, so the large GPT models which have over 100 billion parameters requires multiple high-end GPUs, right, in order to perform inference. But this model, you can now do inference on this particular model with 4-bit precision on popular devices such as iPhone 13, which has 4 GB RAM. Okay, and the thing is that these models also, this 3 billion parameter model also performs very closely to 7 billion parameter large language models. Okay, that's what they have over here. So if you were to look at 7 billion parameter performance, right, of other models, if you see over here, this particular model, okay, performs better than say Stable LM or say OpenLlama 7 billion or Red Pajama Insight. Compared to these models, this performs better, and it performs close to some other models like Falcon 7 billion or say the MPT 7 billion. Okay, still the leader in 7 billion parameter models is Llama, okay, Llama 2, but then this is comparatively close to these models, with the key thing that it actually is 71% cheaper to train this particular model. Okay, and it is 58% smaller, the memory footprint of this model, and it is twice faster than the other 7 billion parameter models. So this is where the advantage for this model comes into the picture. Okay, now this model is just a pre-trained model. Okay, they plan to release the instruction fine-tuned version of this model in the future. Okay, that's what they are saying over here. They are planning to release the instruction fine-tuned version of these models. Okay, the next step, they would be also releasing a white paper explaining the full details of the training process and extensive model evaluations. Okay, so this is quite an interesting paper, interesting release basically, right? And the model is already available on Hugging Face, so you can go and try it out. You can try out this model. I think the quantized versions also will be available for this model. You can try them as well. Okay. So I'll be putting a link to this blog and this Hugging Face page in the description of the video. Do check it out. Okay. So this model is from Cerebras and Opentensor. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.